Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to add premium upgrades to your Hulu account. So if you already have a Hulu account, there's an easy way to get premium upgrades like HBO, Showtime, Starz, and so on. In order to do that, just jump into hulu.com here and go to login and log into your account. You'll have to do this on the browser, so on a mobile device or on a computer. Go ahead and log in and just type in your email and password that you will use to log into your Hulu account. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now that you're logged in, all you would have to do is come up here to your name and then go to accounts. That's the option you want to go to here. And to add premium upgrades, premium add-ons, it's that simple. It's just right up here, get premium add-ons. Go ahead and click that. And I believe you have to have the live TV package in order to add premium upgrades here. I have this plan here, the one with Hulu plus live TV. You could always switch to different plans here as well. But if you scroll down here, you'll have HBO, you'll have Showtime, Starz, Cinemax, and other add-ons that you could simply press the check mark next to and add them. So if I wanted to add HBO, you would just go over here and press the check mark to add it to your device. So let me go ahead and click it. And then you could go ahead and review changes on the bottom here to see what you want to add. Just double check here to make sure everything's okay and press confirm. So it's that simple to add premium add-ons to your Hulu account. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily social media and tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.